Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Nothing Phone OS build and turning on necessary permissions. This prevents later conflicts. Once done, enable developer options and allow installs from unknown sources so the Widget APK can be loaded. Next, download the Snake Widget APK or locate a trusted Play Store equivalent. Make sure its Android target matches your phone. You will test a simple quick install. Now, to confirm the system accepts home screen widgets and background processes. You'll sideload or install the widget and immediately accept runtime permissions when prompted. This avoids hidden failures. Once installed, press and hold the home screen, select widgets, then drop the Snake widget onto a page and pick the size and refresh interval that suits your layout. Then go into App Settings to grant overlay permission and exclude the app from battery optimization so the Snake keeps running. If the widget offers configuration, set controls and save before exiting to verify visuals and responsive. You finish by testing the widget's interaction. Tap, swipe, and observe updates. This confirms proper functionality. If you encounter a blank widget, clear the widget app cache, remove and re-add the widget, or reinstall the APK to reset state. Also, make sure battery saver and background restrictions are disabled for the widget so it can update. If problems persist, check permissions again and restart the launcher. This single restart often resolves residual permission or process conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.